Hello friends, Santosh here. Today we have a task of adding spaces between the numbers. Suppose we have a column which has got all these numbers from row number 9 to row number 58, and we are requested by the team to add spaces between every number. So if you look onto this number, it says 6,97,130. But if you look at this cell, it says 697,134. So how to get this desired result? There are three ways. One is using the custom format, another is using a text function, another is Excel's inbuilt AI. Now let us start getting this format in using the custom format. So let us copy this data from this column and paste it over here. So let us select this data and right click, go to custom format, custom, replace the general as per the format that we need. So we need spaces between every character. Let us type 0 space 0 space 0 space 0 space 0 space 0. If you see over here in the sample format, you can see the result that we are looking for is getting generated. Now click OK. At the first glance, you can see this is the result that we were looking for. But if I copy this data and paste it somewhere here, let's say here, and paste special value, see this data is coming back in the old format itself. There are no spaces in the cell. So it doesn't work if we are going to work on this data. Okay, so let us try a different approach, that is the text function. Let us write a text function that is text. Select the number, comma, the format, that is again 0 space 0 space 0 space 0 space 0. Since we need the format in 6 digits, let us add 6 zeros and close formula. Let us copy and drag this data till over here. You can see the data is coming in the desired format. Now let us copy this data and see if this data is getting pasted in the format that we need. Right click, paste special values. Great, it is coming. Now let us check the third approach, that is the Excel's inbuilt AI, which is called the flash fill. Now let us write 6 space 9 space 7 space 1 space 3 space 4. Enter. Let us type the similar number, same numbers in the below, which is 6 space 9 space 7 space 1 space 3 space 5. Enter. Now select the third row, right 6, and then you see the data the sequence or the format that is automatically getting generated in the column. And now since that is already generated, just press enter. See how easy it is to get the format that we need without writing a single line of code. Let us copy this data, paste it in a separate column and see if it is getting pasted the way we need. So these are the three ways in which we can add spaces between the numbers. Thank you. Take care.